There are six of them. Six of them. Yes, and this one mainly using now for high-speed train. But this station is called a South Railway Station. Most, for example, if you go to North Railway Station, most of the train they go to the north part of the city of Shanghai, the different direction. But usually the train don't cross the city. We don't have the train cross the city, but we do have the subway cross the city like this. Yeah, and then when he turn right, we will see a bigger stadium on our right hand side. And then, but during pandemic time, so people who left the Shanghai went back to the hometown. Let me sit down. You can see the front. Okay. Then many people they left Shanghai. We are go to the Bund and go to the Nanjing Road. Okay. So today it's a little foggy, and now because yesterday is it will getting more and more clear. But then because yesterday was.
We made it to Shanghai. Look at Shanghai, guys. Oh, so many people. Andito kami sa pinaka-city. Ang daming tao. Sarap mag-shopping. Swatch. Kaya nga, pag mag-China, dito na lang din. Grabe oh. Sila mismo gumagawa ng silver. Ang galing. Grabe diba sa mga China. China tuloy mga Chinese. Dami silver oh. Oh. City of Shanghai. Ang daming tao. Nasa gilid may mga having this coffee. Chinese coffee. Magkukruise kami tonight dito sa Shanghai. Cruise time. Nandito kami sa Shanghai River Cruise. Ang ganda ng China, in fairness. last hotel here in Shanghai. Finally, staying here for a few days. Oh my gulay. Asa yung censored natin na curtains? Ay, sorry be. Anong view natin? Wala. Wala eh. Ito ang aming room, ang aming finally last hotel. Nakakapagod ano? Grabe, this is our 5th hotel from Beijing to Shanghai. Finally, we made it. Ay, ang cute ng basin, no? Andito siya sa atin.
Where's the light?
No? Which light you're looking for? And toilet, probably there. Wait. Naka-ano siya, naka-divide yung ano, toilet and shower. Bongga, pero saan yung lights ng shower? Saan ba to? Agoy. Hindi ko maintindihan kung ano tong mga to. Wala akong salamin. Wait lang, i-sort out natin later. Not bad. And this is me. Grabe, whole day nung gala natin, ha? From 8 to 9. Pero ang dami namin napuntahan. Sobra.
Everywhere. Where have a neighborhood, we need to build a department store there. By those departments, you can see a red color building, very unique. It looks like a big Lego. Is that right? That is a China pavilion. During World Expo time, that is a China pavilion. So for most of the people who come to Shanghai China Pavilion, you have to go with a government reservation. And then not available for private or individual. So that's why we're going to live here forever. And now we're on the highest level for the highway. So look at your right hand side, see how high we are, maybe 20 floor, 20 or 30 floor. And then our driver going to turn right now. Turn right. See.
Good morning, Shanghai! Ganito ang itsura sa morning. Ang ganda. Time check is 9 a.m. Medyo foggy siya pero okay lang. Ito yung pinakamataas na building daw dito. So, 35 years ago, wala daw yung mga yan. Ngayon, grabe oh. Buildings everywhere in China, guys. So amazing. Ang galing ng mga Chinese. Ang galing ng China, grabe. Very updated sila. At saka, ano talaga, more than sa ine-expect ko bago ko pumunta rito. Ang ganda siya, sulit. Nag-book kami ng tour package para may tour guide kami. And recommended talaga mag-tour kayo kasi kailangan nyo ng tour guide kasi ang hirap nila makipag-communicate dito. Mahihirapan kayo. So beautiful oh. Diyan kami kagabi, nag-boat, nag-river cruise kami kagabi dyan. Tapos ito yung view namin kagabi. So beautiful. See? May nagja-jogging. Yan. Tapos pag nagsasalita sila, kala mo laging nag-aaway kasi may ingay. Parang tayo. Ayan, ang ganda. Okay. Ito yung computer. Ay, naabutan ko to college days. Yung may disc na ganyan. Bongga yung nila, no? Yung mga sinauna. Na ganito. Meron din tayo niyan. And yung TV na may antena. O, diba? Andito lang yan sa museum nila. Kinikip nila. Yung electric fan nila, may ganyan pa sa atin eh. Tapos ganyan yung lounge nila. Bongga. Park Rio. Yung 1994. Not really interested with this. Style ng bahay nila. Tama ba? Chinese eh. Hindi ko siya na-reread. Pero cute oh. Parang wala silang mga palapag. Chinese naman yung nila, description. So, hindi rin natin mababasa. Description, hindi naman natin maintindihan. Gusto ko dito, Irmso.
受气候不利的影响，海
海平面急剧上升。距今9000年，海平面经上海绝大部分地区被
boat
海
of
水
whale.
经比例
Buto siya ng whale. Yeah, it's a whale. Transition.
距今7000年开始，长江三角洲南翼在沿岸流、潮流和波浪的共同作用下，自常熟福山起，直至金山曹金一线及其以东，日渐堆积而成多条近于平行的密集的路。
Hala. Parang dito yata napupunta yung mga salbahe. Ito ba yung mapa ng China? I guess so. Mapa ba ng China to? O mapa ng museum. Gopulin culture migrants from the Central Plains. Pangluto lang natin to sa probinsya eh. Di ba? Yung mga sa probinsya gamit. Mayayaman sila sa ano, no? Culture nila. Grabe, oh. Kayo na, China. To read it for you guys. Uy, yung bungo nyo nandito, oh. Ay, ganito pala, oh. Kasi di natin mabasa. Chinese.
深之欲，直至见月，必是应。春生寒，春生寒。
Feeling ko ine-explain nila kung paano na-develop ang China at kung saan nag-start sila. Ganoon, di ba? Ito yung boat na ginamit nila papunta sa... Dahil Year of the Horse ngayon, andito kami sa horse. Sure, naabutan yung typewriter sa atin.
Hindi mo nabutan?
Naabutan ko, high school. No, high school ako. Nandito kami sa Old Town. Market. Nandito kami ngayon sa temple. Ginagawa nila yung traditional na nagsusunog sila ng steak for ano daw yung prayers. And then you can make a wish. Then, itutusok mo siya dito after mo mag-pray. So as you can see them, yan yung ginagawa nila. And ate, go. Ang ganda ng mga ano nila, oh, architecture nila.
Third floor for boys. If you don't want to climb stairs, please go inside and use escalator. Escalator will take you to second floor. Then you walk back to this section. And then this is our meeting point. We're going to meet you at the official here. Now each side going same way out. This is actually the back door already. But you better think the back door is a shortcut. If you go the other side, you have to go out and then come inside again.
Oh, look at that. It's amazing. Oh, they offering something. Can we take it? The fruits? Pwede natin kunin yung fruits? Na-offer nila. Ayan o. Nag-offer sila ng mga prutas, mga food. Ito yung temple nila.
来，站这儿，哎，这行不行？
Daming tao. Ah, ito pala siya. Yung water. Day. Wow. Beautiful. Ano kasi pupunta sa inyo? Ah, okay. Kala ko diretso tayong hotel eh.
6:30 pa.
Cute, ang haba naman ng pila. Ganda!